With your walking, how was it when you were suffering with the problem and the difference you're noticing now? What would you say? Before, how was it?
Yeah, she used to walk around 2 to 3 hours before also now, but she was having pain after maybe 1 hour or 2 hour having back pain, but now she said yesterday she walked around 3 hours, but she didn't have any pain.
Yeah.
3 hours.
Perfect. Thank you, doctor.
Thank you, madam. This is big, very good.
Yes.
Because you were suffering when you first came, you know.
وكنت جاي مع واحدة كاميرا كمان ولا وش خدام ميجرا مش بدك كاميرا ولا وش خدام ميجرا بتراميرا مش بدك تسيراسي باش.
And she said maybe it's because before when she walked she was walking like this, and now she's
وش خدام ميجرا.
She's taking care of the position, so maybe she said it's because of this.
You feel the posture is more upright and straight? Good. And how does it feel in the body?
Very
good. And she don't feel like she's tired.
Very good. And these are very positive signs, madam. I want you to keep up with the care, because the more that the body can move, the more freely and naturally it moves, and the more you can follow that up with good exercise. It shows, the studies show that the correct care plus the exercise, active lifestyle is going to yield the best results. So I want this to continue. Oh, like a young girl.
Good job.
Alhamdulillah. Please keep up.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you.